Uh-oh, we got a challenge here for Roger.
Grigor will pass the baton here to a young guy here.
Looks like he's ready to go. Oh, look at this. Ah, stepped into Donald forehand. Roger's freaked out.
And he hit the pass.
Yeah. Oh.
Lobs him.
He's got it.
It's a ringer. A 3-foot-tall ringer.
Look at this.
Whatever he does in his life on a court, he lobbed over Federer's head for a winner.
Clean winner. Here it goes. That was great. That changes. So what's that make it love 30?
Grigor wants the point.
Yeah.
Giving the point to Federer.
Count that point.
Just missed.